Hello, hope all of you are doing well. Welcome to VINI's EduWorld. Today we are going to discuss Lines and Angles chapter from grade 7. In the first video, we already discussed about the basics of the chapter along with vertical angles and adjacent angles, which were a little new topics for you. In this video, we will be discussing in detail about parallel lines and the different angles formed with parallel lines. Okay, so let's get started. So let us start with the basic, right? You see two type of lines here. What are those? Intersecting line and parallel line, correct? These two lines M and N are intersecting at O. These two lines M and N are not at all intersecting, right? These are the two type of lines which you will come across, intersecting lines or parallel lines. If this is clear, there is another thing that we need to know. We have two lines and those lines are intersected by another third line. Intersected by a third line. What is it called? You have two lines M and N. Another third line comes T and it intersects these two lines at two distinct points A and B. Then it is called as a transversal. To be very clear that it is intersecting line M and N at two distinct points. So you think and tell me, I have two lines like this, M and N, and T is intersecting. So you tell me, is T a transversal? T is not a transversal. Is it clear? Okay. So now if you have two lines and a third line, if you observe carefully, what will you see? You will see there are different angles formed. Do you see that? Many angles forming? Yeah? Right? So we have different angles formed. Correct? So this is what we are going to learn today. What are the different angles formed when two lines are intersected with a transversal? And we have to go slowly, part by part, otherwise anybody can get confused. So one request, please get your notebook and your pen and do with me. Please do with me. Okay? Only then you will get a clear idea about it. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a feedback. Okay, so let us just do it. Now you saw I have one pair of line and I have a transversal. Now you tell me if this is angle 1 and this is angle 2. What kind of angles are these two? This is a pair of angle. What is it? Do you remember? In the previous session we had seen this kind of angle. If you have any confusion, I will show this. Yeah, what is it? Vertically opposite angles. Very good. So now see, you just picturize this area. You will understand. So how many vertical opposite angles do you see here? See carefully. Do you think this is vertically opposite to this? If I say this is 3 and this is 4. Yeah? So we got already two pairs. If you say this is 5 and this is 6. Is it vertically opposite? Yes. I have one more pair, 6 and 7. Is it vertically opposite? Yes, exactly. So there are 4 pairs of vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite, I don't think you have any confusion. Clear? Okay, good. Now let's see again. I have cleared everything because I make the board very dirty. Now this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3 and this is 4. These all are coming between the two lines. What is it called? Interior angles. Brilliant. It is called as interior angles, right? So you have 4 interior angles. So do we have exterior angles also? What say? Yes, we do have exterior angles. So where are those exterior angles? See, outside. This is 1, this is 1, this is 1 and this is 1. So 4 interior angles and 4 exterior angles. Clear? Clear? Okay. So what is clear to you? Vertically opposite angle is clear, interior angle is clear, exterior angle is clear. Now you again look at it. If I have an angle here and I have an angle here, what kind of angles are these? These are alternate interior angles. Kids get very confused with this. So let me clarify. When you say alternate interior angles, what do you understand? It's part of interior angles, so it has to be those 4 only. That is clear? Other thing that we can consider is, look at this circle. I have 1 here, I have 2 here, I have 3 here. Now you tell me, when I say what is alternate of 1? What is alternate of 1? I am not asking adjacent, I am asking alternate. That means you have to skip 1, isn't it? I will skip 2 and my alternate is 3, right? The same way, if I have 2 angles here, my circle is going like this. It will skip this angle and come to 2. So can I say 1 is alternate to 2? I can, isn't it? Clear? If you relate to these kind of fundas, it becomes very easy. So now you draw in your notebook what is the other alternate interior angle, other pair. I think it is these 2 angles. Correct? These 2 are also alternate interior angles. Right? So 1 and 2 are alternate angles. 3 and 4 are alternate angles. I am not writing here because I want you to write it there. Okay. And other thing is, don't memorize. You have to relate to these by some examples. The way I showed you the circle, it goes clockwise. So relate like that. Think which will be alternate to 1. Skip. I have to skip 1 angle and go like a circle. Interior. Correct? So now alternate angles are clear. So 2 sets of alternate interior angles. Now what is alternate exterior angle? Yes, what is alternate exterior angle? That time we will be again considering only the exterior angles. I have written 4 here. See, I can change the names anytime. So never go by name. Okay, anybody can change the name. We can write A, B, X, Y, whatever we want. So I just wrote 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Now anybody can take a turn and tell me what is 1 pair of exterior alternate angle. Who would like to say? I know I won't get an answer, but still. Okay, so I think 1 is 1 angle. So I will skip 2. Exterior I will go to 3. So 1 and 3 are alternate exterior angles. Clear? 1 and 3 are alternate exterior angles. Which is the another pair? Bingo! 2 and 4. 2 and 4 are alternate exterior angles. So 2 pair of alternate interior angles and 2 pair of alternate exterior angles. That's it. Alternate angles done. Now let us do corresponding angles. What are corresponding angles? One side of the transversal. Corresponding angles do not move from one side, no jumping around. It's at only one side of the transversal, either left side or right side. Corresponding. Okay, so here see, if I am taking the down angle of first line, I will take the down angle of second one. So these two are corresponding angles. Down, down. Okay, if it is like this down and this down, right? So these two are corresponding angles. Okay, if I am taking up, what will happen? This line's up and this line's up. Okay, if I take these two, what will happen? This side up and this side up. So these are the four pair of corresponding angles. Understood? No? Once more. Let's do once more. It's very easy. You have two lines. You have a transversal. Transversal can be any way. I will show you that. Now if I take this angle, up, up. Both the lines same side of the transversal. This is corresponding. Then see, down, down. Corresponding. Very easy, I feel. Down, down. Right? And up, up. So four pairs of corresponding angles are there. Clear? I'll do one question based on this, so it will become very clear. Okay, so after corresponding angle, one more thing is there. What is it? You have a line, parallel line. Now consecutive interior angle. Consecutive interior angle. What is consecutive interior angle? Any idea? When I say consecutive, can you relate to this word? 1, 2, 3, 4, all these numbers are consecutive numbers, one after the other, isn't it? So when I say consecutive angles, and that too they are interior angles, the short name is co-interior angles. So if this is one angle, which will be the next angle? Fast. This one. Co-interior angles. Done? Right? So what is this angle to 2? Say fast. This is previous class question. We have done this. Fast. This is linear pair. So 2 plus 3 should be 180. I just wanted to trick you. You should not say co-interior. Co-interior only like this. Okay? Okay. Now you tell me, can I draw transversal any other way? See, like this also it's a transversal, right? So you should not get confused. If you by heart it, you will get confused. If you learn the tricks behind it, you will never get confused. Okay, so one more funda is there. Now whatever I said about these angles, only thing was what? There are two lines, there is a transversal, there are angles. Now what if the lines are parallel? What if we are dealing with parallel lines? If the lines are parallel, the angles formed by transversal have some importance. What is it? If my lines are parallel, the transversal makes alternate interior angles equal, alternate exterior angles equal, corresponding angles equal. That is all the thing of parallel lines. Okay. So now if your lines are parallel, there are many good things. You know what? If your lines are parallel, your alternate angles are equal. Also, your corresponding angles are equal. Corresponding angles and alternate angles are equal. And what is the other thing? The co-interior angles add up to 180 degree. And it's the other way around also. They might give you a question, you have alternate angles equal. Is the line parallel or not? Yes. If angles are equal, the lines are parallel. If the co-interior angles add up to 180 degree, then also lines are parallel. If corresponding angles are equal, then also lines are parallel. Understand? It can be used vice versa, both ways. Okay? If lines are parallel, these angles are equal. If angles are equal, these lines are parallel. Very easy. Let's do one question. And you should tell me the values. This is 60 degree. Now you tell me what is the value of this angle. How will you find that out? There are many ways. You know that. First one. This angle is co-interior to this angle. Yeah. So what can we do? 60 plus, what is this? A equal to 180 degree. So A is equal to how much? 180 minus 60. How much is it? 120. So your A became how much? 120. So what is x to A? Vertically opposite angle. So this became 120 because vertically opposite angles are equal, right? Or else what you could do? See, this and this is equal to 180. 60 plus A. Again, this will also be 120. So these two are corresponding angles. Isn't it? Very easy. You will not find any problem in doing these questions. If you have any problem, please do put it in the feedback. So I hope the concepts were clear, and now you will be able to do exercise number 2 without any help. Do try it out yourself. If you like the session, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.